Hey guys, good morning, afternoon, evening. Hey, I just wanted to give you guys a quick glimpse of what I'm looking at today on this beautiful, epic morning here in Pattaya, Thailand. So yeah, it's supposed to be rainy. It's supposed to be monsoon. It's supposed to be wet, craziness. You know, I was told before I came here on this trip is, why are you booking during the rainy season? It's not gonna be fun. It's just gonna be wet and miserable, and you're not gonna be happy. I gotta tell you what, I mean, the best advice I could give at this point is do not let what other people think or say deter you away from living your best life, because it is epically gorgeous out today, and it has rained but not much. Epically beautiful. And I'm not saying don't listen to people and friends because they want what's best for you, but sometimes people have their own reasons why they don't travel, and they'll tell you what they tell you, and it's more about them than about you living your best life. This is just totally beautiful. Hope you enjoy the video. Peace.
Now I'm crying. I'm trying to hold it down. Told me now you're less sure than before. What did I do to make you walk and close the door? Now I'm crying. I'm trying to hold it down. Oh, but I don't know what to do. What do you suggest I do when a person leaves you blue and that person is you? Oh,